Hi, everybody. It's Friday, March 28th, and the market looks weak. However, I am still bullish. I am still bullish as long as we remain above 5,650. As long as that level holds, I am still bullish. The reason why is we have huge put support at 5,675 and 5,650. A lot of support. Do they do the people in charge of the market really want to pay all those puts today? I don't think so. So that's why I am cautiously bullish. But if we do lose the 5,650 level, yeah, you should be concerned. I'm sorry, you should be very concerned, and maybe get out of your long positions to protect yourself. If you're trading the indices now. So because I am ultimately bullish, I am going to talk about Tesla. So here we have A, B. Is this C? Here's the mystery. We remember yesterday I was looking for a new high above here, and we got it. We got a new high just by a few pennies. The problem is because that new high was just by pennies, it could be a part of this trend here. You see that? And we could still just have A, B, C. However, that also makes it easy for us because basically just go long if it goes above yesterday's high. If it goes above yesterday's high, I think it's safe to go long Tesla. Simple as that. Now let's look at BTC USD. BTC is exactly the same, Is this a 5-wave move, or is this a 3-wave move off of that 76,783 low? What is it? And I say that if we get over 90,000 on Bitcoin, I say we're moving up. So, yeah, but you still have to be careful. You need to be careful. I'm not going to take any long positions on Bitcoin today. Let's be careful. Let's look at MSTR. Let's look at MSTR. So MSTR, I gave a big lecture on MSTR in yesterday's video, and I said that yes, it does look like an A, B, and C, and now we're going down. So here's the easy thing. It's super easy today. If MSTR breaks the previous high at 345 around, right? If MSTR breaks 345 to the upside, you go long. It's as simple as that. And if MSTR breaks 345 to the upside, then you can also go long Bitcoin if you're a trader in Bitcoin, right? It's very simple. That's the answer to the riddle. And then finally, let's look at IONQ. IONQ had this 3-wave move up, then a very large correction followed by this. Honestly, because it could be 335, right? So, and then we just keep going down. So here's the deal. Here's what you're going to do. You just go long. You go long above this high, or if we find support at 30, right? So you either take a long position when it breaks 28 or go long at 30. Probably just buy at 28 and pray. and also Qubits looks like it could go down. And remember what I was saying in the previous video. It's always kind of important to watch the videos every day, because I was saying that it actually looks like we're getting a head and shoulders pattern on Qubits. We don't even have to look at this as Elliott wave. Here's shoulder one, here's a head, and maybe we get a shoulder and then it goes down. Or what's actually happening, again, not using Elliott wave, we could actually be creating support on this $8 range at this $8 level. So like it goes above $8, it loses $8, goes all the way down, then it goes again. Now it's testing to see if it goes to $8, if $8 can hold. It's trying really hard to get support on $8. So we need to just watch. It's not ready to buy yet. We just watch. If you want to buy it, then I would buy it when IONQ breaks that previous rebound high that I was just saying. Then you should buy Qubits. But yeah, we're trying really hard to get support on $8. So it's either going to go like this, then it's going to go here and then go up, or it's going to go below and die, or it's going to go below and then try to rebound. So yeah, it's $8. This is a battle. This is the battle for qubits at $8. Yeah, we just have to wait to see if $8 will end up being support. And when $8 is support, then you want to be in the stock.